How to sign up for an Uber account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Uber application on your device. You will see the Get Started button. Tap on that. Now, in order to register yourself to Uber, you can sign up using your Google account, your Apple account, your mobile number, your email address, or you can continue using passkeys too. So go ahead and select the best suited option for you. In today's video, we will sign up using email. So go ahead and tap on the continue with email option. You will then be required to enter your email address. So enter your email address and tap on next. You will then receive a code in the email address you just entered. So go ahead and copy the code sent to you in your email and then paste it further in this particular interface right here and tap on the next button. And with this, if the code that you entered is correct, then you will be signed up for Uber successfully. So this is how you can sign up for an Uber account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.